Hey everyone, and good morning to all of you, and welcome back to my video. In this video I will cover class 7 maths chapter number 3, data handling, exercise 3.1. Question number 1, find the range of height of any 10 student of your class. So now we are not in a class. I will give some example of height of some students. So let the height in centimeter, okay, I will take in centimeter of 10 student of our class B. I'm just assuming all this value. So the first value is 125 and second value 127 and the third one is 132, 133, 134, 36 and 138 and 441, 444 and 446. These are the height of 10 student. Okay. Now what we have to find? We have to find range. Okay. What we have to find? Range. So we know the formula of the range, isn't it? So what is the formula of the range? Highest value minus lowest value. So I have already arranged all the height in ascending to descending order. Now highest value among this observant is what? 146. This is highest. And the lowest value among all this observation is how much? 125. Now what is the formula for range? We know the formula of range is highest value minus lowest value. That means for 146 minus 125 centimeter is equal to how much? 21 centimeter. So what is the range value? Range value is 21 centimeter. Okay. Hope you have understood. Now come to the next question. Question number 2. Now come to question number 2. Organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. So here some class assessment is given, means some marks of some test exam is given. Okay. 4, 6, 7, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 2, 6, 2, 5, 1, 9, 6. These all are given. Which now question number 1. Excuse me. Let me bring it down. Question number 1 is given, which number is the highest, okay? And question number 2, which number is the lowest? And question number 3, what is the range of the data? And question number 5 or 4, find the arithmetic mean. Now first what you have to do, here it is given, organize the following marks, okay? You have to write the marks in a tabular form. So you can see here, in a tabular form, marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9. So all the marks are given here. Now you can see from here 1 marks. How many students got 1 marks? How many students got 1 marks? That is only 1, isn't it? So your tally marks will be in this way. And so total frequency will be how much? 1. Now next 2. So how many students got 2? You can see how many got 2? 1, 2. Only 2 students got 2 marks, right? So your tally marks will be in this way. You can see the tally marks here and frequency will be how much? 2. Now for 3. How many 3 are there in the above figure? You can see. How many 3 is here? Only 1 is there, isn't it? So the frequency of 3 will be 1. Tally marks will be what? 1. This is tally marks and frequency will be what? 1. Now 4. You have to see 4. So from the given, you have to see how many numbers are there for 1, 2, then 3. So how many got 4 marks? 3 students, isn't it? So the tally marks will be in this way and the frequency will be 3. So now for 5. Now you have to see for 5. So how many students got 5? 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5. So how many students got 5 marks? 5 students. So you know how to make the tally marks of 5. How you will make 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5 you will not give like this. What you will do? You will just cross it. Okay. This means this is how much? 5. Okay. This is the way to marks tally. Okay. Tally marks you have to do in this way. After 4 you have to cross it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5 will be in this way. Now next for 6. How many students got 6 marks? You can see from here. 1, then 2, then 3 and 4. So how many got 6 marks? 4 students. So you have to make a tally marks like this, and the frequency will be 4. Now 6. 6 is done. Now 7. How many students got 7 marks? 1 and 2. So how many got 7 marks? 2 students. So you can see here the tally marks will be this way, and the frequency will be 2. And 8, if you will see the table, you will get only 1. So this is your tally marks, and frequency is 1. And 9 also how much? Only 1, and the frequency is 1. Now the question number 1 is what? The highest number, isn't it? Now which is the highest number here? Highest number is what? 9, isn't it? So 9 is the answer for the first question. Now second question, what is the lowest? So now the lowest one will be what? Lowest is what? 1, isn't it? So lowest marks is what? 1. And range, we know how to find range. Range equal to highest minus lowest, isn't it? So highest is 9 and the lowest is 1. So 9 minus 1 is equal to how much? 8. Now question number 4. Now you have to find in question number 4, what we have to find? We have to find arithmetic means, isn't it? So arithmetic means what you will do? You will do sum of all the observations. Means all the given observation, you have to do what? Sum. Sum means we know, isn't it? Plus. We have to plus all this given data. Then how much we got? Sum of all the observation is equal to how much we got? 100. Now total number of observations. So how many students were there? How many observation was there? 20. How much? 20. Now what is the formula? We know the formula of arithmetic mean is what? Sum of all the observation divided by total number of observations. So sum, how much we got? 100. And the total number of observation is how much? 20. So 100 divided 20 is equal to how much? 5. 100 divided 20 is equal to 5. So the answer is what? 5. Hope you have understood. Now come to our next question. Question number 3. Question number 3. Find the mean of the first 5 whole numbers. So we know what is whole number, isn't it? Whole number start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and infinitely, isn't it? So the first 5 whole numbers are 0. 0 also we have to count, isn't it? Because first 5 whole number, that means 0 is also our whole number. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the first whole number. Now what we have to do? We have to find mean, isn't it? So what is the formula for mean? Sum of all the observation, isn't it? Sum of all the observation divided by number of observations. So sum of all the observation will be how much? 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 5. So if you will plus all this, the value is how much? 10. Now 10 divide 5 is how much? 2. So the mean value is how much? 2. Therefore the mean of the first 5 whole number is 2. Come to the next question. Question number 4. A cricketer scored the following runs in 8 innings. Okay. So these are the score of the cricketer in 8 innings. Means they played for 8 games. Okay. They played in 8 games and they got different run score. So first is how much? 58. Second is given 76. Third is given 40. Then 35. 46, 45 and 0 and 100. These are the score for 8 innings. Now find the mean score. So we have to find the mean score and we know the mean formula, isn't it? Total number of all the innings will be divided by total numbers of the inning, isn't it? So run scored by the cricketer are given this, isn't it? These are the runs score by the cricketer. And we know the formula, isn't it? Mean score is equal to total runs scored in all the innings. Means total run, okay? How many run for all the innings. Now, how many innings? How many run? 58, then 76, 40, 35, 46, 45, 0 and 100. If you will plus all this value, the answer will be how much? 400. And the total number of inning, how many time he played the game? 8 time, isn't it? So that will be the total number of inning is 8. Now 400 divided by 8, answer will be 50. So mean score will be how much? Mean score will be 50. Therefore, the mean score is how much? 50. Question number 5. Following table shows the points of each player scored in 4 games. So, there are 3 players, isn't it? And how many games? 4 games are there. So, player A, game 1, score is given, point is given 14, and in game 2, 16, in game 3, 10, and game 4, 10. Now, B, player B, game 1 is 0. Now, game 2 is how much? 8, and game 3 is 6, and game 4 is 4. Now player C score in game 1 is 8, game 2 is 11, game 3 did not play, okay, did not play, and game 4 is 0. Now let me tell you one thing. For the game 1, player B. So player B score in game 1 is 0, okay. He played the game, but the score is 0. But you can see for player C, he did not play game 3. Okay, he did not play game 3. Now come to the question. Now answer the following question. Question 1. Find the mean to determine A's average number of points score per game. So A's average score you have to find, okay. Average score in per game means in the 4 game, what is the average score? We know average value is just like a mean value, sum of all the numbers divided by total number. Now B, to find the mean number of point C game, point per game for C, also you divide the total point by 3 or by 4 and why. You have to give the reason. Now for 3, B played in all the 4 games. How will you find the mean? B played in all the game and you have to find the mean. How you will find the mean? We have to divide with 4, isn't it? Now for 4 question is, who is the best performer? Means whose average or mean value will be the highest? That player will be the best performer. Now come to the solution. Now come to the solution. Question number A was written A's average number of points, isn't it? So the score of game 1 is 14 and game 2 is 16, 10, again 10. So you have to do sum. 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10 is how much? 50, isn't it? Now 50 divided by total number of game. How many game was there? 4. So 50 divided 4, you will get 12.5. So 12.5 is your answer. Okay, now come to second question answer. To find the mean numbers of point per game for C, we will divide the total point by 3 because C played 3 games, isn't it? Because C did not play game number 3, isn't it? That is why you have to divide with 3, not with 4. Now come to next question. Means of B score. In question number 3, we have to find the score of B, isn't it? Mean of B score. So first, how much? 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4, isn't it? 0 plus 6 plus 4, you will get how much? 18, and you have to divide with 4. Why we have to divide with 4? Because B player played all the 4 games. That is why you have to divide with 4. Now 18 divide 4, you will get 4.5. Now fourth question was the best performer. Now you can see the mean value. Here A score is A mean is how much? 12.5, and for B is how much? 4.5, and for the C will be also less than A. Okay, that is why the best performer will have the greatest average among them. Now we can observe that the average of A is 12.5, which is more than that of B and C. So the average of A is greater than B and C. And for C also it will be obviously greater because C played only in 3 games. Therefore A is the best performer among these 3. Now come to question number 6. Sixth question, the marks out of 100 obtained. Out of 100 means the total marks was 100, okay? Obtained by a group of students in science test are 85, means out of 100 the marks is 85, 76, 90, 85, 39, 48, 56, 95, 81 and 75. Find the highest and the lowest marks obtained by the student. So from this table, from this figure, you can see which is highest, isn't it? So highest will be what? 95. And which one will be the lowest one? Lowest also you can say from here it will be how much? 39. So 39 is the lowest and 95 is highest. And question number 2, range of the mark obtained. So we know the range formula, isn't it? Highest minus lowest. And mean mark obtained by the group. And we know the mean formula also, sum of all the numbers, isn't it? Sum of all the marks divided by number of the marks. So how many student was there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have to divide it with 10, okay, because there are 10 student, you can say. So number of the student will be 10, and sum of all the marks, you have to plus all the marks and you have to divide with 10. So this question is your homework. So question number 6 is your homework. So please try to do yourself. If you will face any difficulties, you can comment below in my video. I will try to solve the question again. Okay, now come to next question, question number 7. Question number 7. The enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years was as follow. Means the enrollment means the number of student, okay? So the first one is how much? 1555 and 1670, 1750 and 2013 and 2540 and 2820. These are the enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive, in 6 different years. Now find the enrollment, okay? Find the mean and enrollment of the school for this period. What we have to find? Mean, isn't it? We know the mean formula, right? So what is the arithmetic mean formula? Sum of all the enrollment. Here it is enrollment number is given. So what you will write? Sum of all the enrollment number. You have to plus all this number, 1555 plus 1670. In this way you have to plus all the number and divided by number of the enrollment. So how many number? Year means how many years? 6 years, isn't it? So you have to divide with 6. So this question number 7 is also your homework. So I have given 6 and 7 as a homework. So please try to solve these 2 questions. So the rainfall in millimeter, okay, these values are in millimeter. In a city on 7 days of a certain week was recorded as follow. So days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. In this many days the rainfall was recorded. For example, nowadays in this is the season for rainy season. Sometime it is raining continuously for 1 week, isn't it? So in the same way it was raining continuously for 7 days and they record their rainfall in millimeters. So the Monday was 0.0 millimeter and Tuesday is given 12.2 millimeter, and Wednesday is given 2.1 millimeter. Thursday is given Thursday is given 0.0 millimeter, and Friday is given 20.5 millimeter, and Saturday 5.5, and Sunday is 1.5. Now you have to find what we have to find. Find the range of the rainfall in the above data. So what we have to find? Range. We know the range formula, highest minus least, isn't it? Now second, find the mean rainfall of the week. Mean means what? Sum of all the values divided by number of the values. And third one, on how many days was the rainfall less than the mean value. So you have to compare with the mean value and you have to see how many days it was less than the mean value. Okay, answer number 1, range equal to highest minus lowest. So what is the highest value here? 20.5 is the highest, and the lowest is how much? 0.0. So 20.5 minus 0.0 will be how much? You will get how much you will get? You will get the same value, isn't it? 20.5. So this will be your answer. Okay, now this came by mistakenly, please don't mind. So answer will be what? 20.5 minus 0.0 millimeter will be what? Same, 20.5 is the range. Now come to the next question. Find the mean rainfall. So here you can see the mean rainfall is equal to, on Monday it was how much? 0.0, and the next day is 12.2, next day 2.1 plus 0.0, then again 20.5 plus 5.5 plus 1.0, and total how many days? 7 days, isn't it? In a week how many days is there? 7. So you have to divide with 7. Now if you will plus all this value, you will get 41.3. okay, you can try to add all this number. You will get how much? 41.3, and this you have to divide with how much? 7. And hope you know how to divide a decimal number, isn't it? So you will get 5.9. So let me show you how to do divide. 41.3 you have to divide with what? 7. Now 5 times it will go. 7 5s are how much? 35. Now if you will minus, you will get how much? 6, isn't it? Now point is here, so this point will go where? This point will come up. Okay, it will become 5 point. Now 3 will come down. Now 7 9s are how much? 63, isn't it? So it will go how many times? 9 times. 7 9s are 63. So remainder is how much? 0. So the answer is how much? 5.9 millimeters. So the mean rainfall is 5.9 millimeter. Now the next question number 3 answer. You have to see in how many days it is less than the mean value. What is the mean value? 5.9, isn't it? So in which day it is less than 5.9? In Monday also it is less than 5.9, because Monday was how much? 0.0, isn't it? Now Tuesday is highest, isn't it? Tuesday is 12.2. So Tuesday will be the highest, not less than. Now Wednesday is how much? 2.1. So 2.1 is also less than 5.9. Then Thursday is how much? 0.0, and 0.0 is less than 5.9. Now Saturday is also how much? 5.5, isn't it? So Saturday will also be less than 5.9. Now Sunday is how much? 1.0. So Sunday is also less than the mean value. So these are the Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. The rainfall was less than the average rainfall. Okay, now come to next question. Question number 9. The height of 10 girls were measured in centimeter, and the result are as the follows. Okay, 10 girls were measured. Their height were measured in a centimeter. So the first one is 135, and second one 150, then 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 143, and 141. So these are the height of 10 students, 10 girls. Now what you have to find? What is the height of the tallest girl? You have to find the height of the tallest girl. And next, second question, what is the height of the shortest girl, means the smallest value you have to find. And 3 question, what is the range of the data? You have to find what range of the data. So we know the formula of range. What is the formula of range is what? Highest minus least. Okay, don't forget this formula. The range formula is highest minus lowest value. Now 4, what is the mean height of the girl? Mean means what? You have to find arithmetic means. Sum of all the height divided by number of the height, means you have to plus all this number and divide with the number of girls, means how much? 10, isn't it? You have to divide with 10. Now 5, how many girls have height more than the mean height? Now again what you will do? You will combine, means you will compare the mean with all the height of the girls, and you will see whose, means for how many girls the height is greater than the mean value. So you will find it. So hope you will do this one. This question I will give you as a homework. So because it is very easy, just you have to see from the table which is highest. So you can see from here the highest is 151, isn't it? So the shortest one will be how much? The shortest one will be 132. So 128. 120 will be the shortest. And range now highest minus least, means 151 minus 128. So in this way you will complete this question. So with this I will conclude this video, and in my next video I will come with the next exercise. Thank you all of you for watching my video, and stay home and stay safe. Bye bye and take care.